Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Here is second lecture of computer science for class 9. I hope you have learned a lot about the previous topic that we did in the lecture number 1. Before working on next topic, it is better to take quick review about the previous topic just for refreshment of the work. Problem solving is the process of solving problems systematically. It introduces the methodologies to understand a problem and to solve it in an effective manner. We have already read the steps of solving problems, that is, defining the problem, understanding the problem, planning the solution, defining candidate solution, selecting the best solution. We have already understood the first step, defining the problem. A well-defined problem is the one that doesn't contain ambiguities. All the conditions are clearly specified and it has a clear goal. Now you are in the position to learn more about next step. Today we will learn about the second step of problem solving, that is understanding the problem. According to the definition, understanding the problem is important before jumping into the solution of the problem. So before we can solve a problem, we need to know exactly what the problem is. And we should put a good amount of thinking and resources into understanding it. For example, a riddle or puzzle can be answered only after clear understanding. A clear understanding of a problem makes it easier to solve and help to save money, time, and resources. Now we will discuss figure 1.2 on page number 3 of your textbook. This picture shows the metaphorical representation of the problem, where the red light represents a problem, the yellow light represents its analysis, the green light represents the solution. It shows that problem analysis brings us closer to a solution. Problem analysis helps to understand a given problem. By using 5W's element, we can easily understand the problem and lead towards the solution of a given problem. First W is what? Kya. It is about the description of the task, the activity or the problem. Second is who? Kaun. This is about identifying people who may have direct or indirect involvement in causing or contributing to the issue or problem. Third W is why? Kyun? It describes the motivation or the objective or the justification reason behind a method of working. 4W is when? Kab? Having an understanding of the time of occurrence could help in solving the issue or problem. The last is where, kahan. This element is used to pinpoint the location or place involved. It could be helpful in identifying the people and other things present at that location, which may have contributed to the occurrence of an issue or problem. Students, let's take an example from the previous lecture for the clear understanding of 5Ws. If your mother asks you to call your brother within 30 seconds, now we shall find the answers of 5Ws with the help of an example. First W is what? Think a while. What task is here? It is clear that you have to call your brother. Second, where? Where means location or place. So it will be room where your brother can be located. Third is when. means how much time or period is required to complete this task. This is 30 seconds. Fourth is why, means what's the reason? Reason is that mother wants to call him. And the last one is who. Who will do it? Definitely you. It is a method that provides effective solution of problems encountered and helps to create a positive continuous improvement. Students, open page number 3 of your textbook. Here is a problem statement given. First, we will read it carefully and then we will use 5W's method. Problem is, suppose your class teacher assigns you a task to prepare a list of students in your school whose names start with letter A. The list is required in order to prepare an alphabetical directory of all school students. And there is only 1 week to complete the task. First W is what? Here we find the task to be performed. We have to make a list of students' names starting with letter A. Second, who? Who are involved? Students are involved. Third, why? Find the reason why we are making a list to prepare a directory of the student. Fourth, when? We have to perform this task within a week. Fifth, where? Here you find the location or place, obviously school. To sum up, the 5 W's is an outstanding method to better understanding of a situation. Students, this time I have an assignment for you. Activity 1.1 on page number 4 of your textbook. Read it carefully. And find out the answers of what, where, when, why, and who for this assignment. Students, watch this lecture again and again till you clearly understand all the points. And for the students who are joining this lecture and did not watch the previous one, they should first watch this first lecture and then come to this lecture. Thank you very much to watch this lecture. If you have any question, then you can write in comment box. Take a very good care of you and your family. Allah Hafiz.